Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So very quickly right here, let's talk a little bit about the Gram network airdrop. Right, so we actually started this airdrop a couple of weeks ago, and currently this project seems a little bit serious, though there are some kind of red flags that I'm seeing, which I'm going to be talking about right here on this particular video. So over here they actually made a lot of announcements right here saying that their project is sorry, my bad. So the over here they say that their project is about 67% complete, meaning that we are approaching the end of this particular project and their airdrop. And of course they also made an announcement right here about 3 days ago where they actually said that the listing of this token is confirmed that is going to take place this 2026. So they didn't actually mention the actual month, but what they say right here is that great news, the TGE listing of GRM slash USDT has been officially confirmed for 2026. Keep an eye on our channel for upcoming announcements. Continue your mining journey and make sure to follow our privacy policy to stay updated. So over here they are trying to let us know that they have confirmed that they are going to list this year, being 2026. Though we all have had a lot of experience about crypto airdrop, especially as regards the Telegram airdrop and how easily they can disappoint their community or their users. All right, so over here guys, it is very easy. So looking over here right now, currently this is my own account and I've got about 164 GRM right here, very small. And you can see over here I'm actually taking the mining a kind of serious, but still I actually mine when I have free time. So looking over here right now, we have the wallet right here where your assets are being shown, like a lot of you know. And over here you can actually transfer and receive gram currently. All right, so coming over here to staking, the feature is not yet live and we have a lot of tasks right here, and on your profile you see a lot of things like how many people you have referred and other stuffs like that. Now let me tell you the red flags that I'm kind of noticing on this particular project. The first red flag is the fact that they are announcing that their TGE is going to be taking place this year. Now why is it a red flag? It's a red flag because this project actually started after Telegram rebranded from after Ton rebranded from Ton to Gram. That was when this project actually went fully live. And of course the TGE which they are promising this year simply means that the mining won't take place more, it won't last up to a year or something. Yeah, I understand that mining shouldn't take that long, but still to me it seems like it's very early for them to be promising or talking about TGE up and down. You understand what I'm trying to say, right? Now that's the first red flag that I'm noticing. The second red flag is the fact that we are actually talking about end of the project. We are talking about the project coming to an end while the staking feature hasn't yet gone live. The staking feature of this particular project hasn't yet gone live, and the project is busy actually trying to let us know that they are 67% done. So when they are done, does that mean that we are not going to be having this staking activity to participate on, or are they going to be officially opening the staking after the listing on several exchanges? So these are my questions, and these are the things that I think are the red flags of this particular project. And apart from that, the interface is very nice, and of course everything is working so well right here. I mean, I'm getting to fall in love with this. But another thing right here is the fact that they are actually advertising on their Telegram mini bot. Now I understand it's normal to advertise on a Telegram mini bot, but their own is too frequent. It looks like they are more focused on the money that they are going to make rather than focusing fully on the project. So this is just my personal opinion about this. They could be way better than what I'm explaining right now. And of course we all know that this is crypto, anything is possible in crypto. And of course I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your due diligence before you take any action. And of course right here, this airdrop is very easy and it's free to participate on. So if you want to be giving it a try, I'm going to be leaving my link on the video description of this particular video that you are watching. So that's the link right there. And remember, they said the staking is the listing of this particular token is going to be this 2026, which we don't yet know the particular month or thereabouts. All we know is that the token is going to be listing this 2026. All right, so right now, that's all you need to know right now about this particular project, literally. And of course, right now, let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Do you think that this project will worth our time at the end of the day, or do you think this project is going to still, disappoint us just like other crypto airdrops out there? All right, so let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next video that I'll be dropping very, very soon.